every veteran selector,
Yeah.
Gugu Mental them selector. As a little youth.
Yeah.
You know why? Them say, the hungry youth is a come show love. And the man them set the thing, Virgin.
Yeah.
And the man them say, can't go around Tony Matterhorn them. You see it foot of them, fire links, they don't know, bass, so they say, you see what them even they do? You see what them do muscle? We didn't even get the chance to do it because of different timing. We didn't even get the chance to do what them did I do.
Yeah.
So them set it, so you just have to give them the ratings and know so them man, they are them man, they are we just do our thing. We don't need for like the new generation and the young and them man in the bad and no.
You're just putting your king on your king.
Yeah, that's why I mean all of them so good. Every time them keep birthday party, I Gugu Mental them use from Stone Love.
This episode is brought to you by Chicken and Things Caribbean Cuisine, located at 2045 Brandon Gate Drive in Mississauga. Give them a call at 905-677-9888.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, you've seen this man travel and play song right across the globe, and right now he's there in Toronto. He represents the big bad song Stone Love. You know we have in the building today, we have Gugu Mental in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
I must big up yourself. You know, Toronto, Canada, you know, there.
Yeah.
Seeing the Young Genna himself live. You know
Definitely.
the thing. We're there, man. Active.
Thank you so much for joining us here tonight, because I remember when I booked you at Prosperity earlier this year, you told me, listen, I know you, I've watched the Chico, the Cancer, the Road. I said, well, if that's what you're watching, I definitely need to sit down and talk to you, because I know your meds are different.
Different, yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, Gugu Mental meds way different, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And that's what, hopefully, the people are going to see that tonight. They're going to figure out who Gugu is tonight.
Yeah.
You understand? Growing up in Jamaica, what part of Jamaica you grew up in?
Kingston, South Side. Yeah, man. Great South Side, you know?
Yeah.
Our place.
What was the neighborhood like growing up in South Side at that time there?
Nice, man. Party till daylight.
Yeah.
You know, my brother them go party from when young, you don't know Mad Dog, you know, my brother in a real life, R.I.P. Melo. Just imagine the days when we are youth. Some good time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back then. And even growing up, did you grow up with any siblings?
Yeah, man. Brother, princess, prince. You know, what about granny them? What about all of them? Auntie Sugar, the whole life body.
You were the oldest, youngest, or middle in between?
Youngest.
Yeah. So it seems like your life just works where you're always the youngest in every situation you're in, you know?
Yeah, because you were going on most of the time. I little you, I move like me a big man, and so my is like mature early, I know things early. So I know I go on.
Yeah.
Because I've been the day about from early. We go dance and we are youth. We go dance we shouldn't do it.
Were you a battle police, or you just going to go listen to the music?
Push back a police, no man. We are go dance, man. Close press and we are go. You understand? Yeah, man. I go dance, man. Go drink and take a push back. No, man. From a little youth, you know.
Yeah. You're not on that at all.
Yeah, because I must say, a garrison, you don't know what family members and, you know how to do them. We got party, we are party, man. With the big man, them, man. And stuff. Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? And what was your aspirations growing up as a child now? Did you want to be like a doctor, a lawyer, an artist? What did you want to be?
Selector. Love music.
Yeah.
Love music from me. Young, love music. We never seen nothing, just love music.
So what was it about? So you never wanted to be an artist or anything before?
No, not artist.
Yeah.
I love playing music. I like music. I like playing music.
And what was it about playing music that really said, this is what I want to do?
Music just... music different to me. I live in Brooklyn and the money I hear one song I like, I just feel like I'm rich.
Yeah.
That's all music just... Me say I want to find a song I like and listen for all 1 week straight. The one song just step and repeat.
Yeah.
All in my car, everybody come on and say, you can't change the song where you want out of the song, so. Yeah. But I just love the song and I feel the music, so that means it's when a time for me present it to the people, I know where I present. Because the feeling in me, because music a feeling, you know. I not just take up something and just do it because I see it or do or I like it or that. No, I work off of my feeling, it's something my passion in you. Yeah.
You said selecting. Who did you see selecting where you said, this is what I want to do right here?
Little Richie.
Yeah.
Even say I do it. Little Richie with the energy from Swatch. Him, the man they inspire me for do the thing. You see, the man they theme style of selecting or him usually do it was my style. saw me because it was more like a musical juggler. And the music me really like. Yeah, we have MC, have bad MC, I have to give them credit because them help boost the juggling. But really and truly, we music we deal with. Juggling.
Yeah.
So our talking, easy because we have them juggling so much that's the talking just coming like the icing on the cake.
But it was a music first.
Yeah, man. So Little Richie, they have a juggling, and man, they can play 1,000 songs in a little space of time, man. So can't talk for nobody else. Get the inspiration from. You understand? Yeah.
So he was from in the area, or where do you really see Little Richie at that time there?
All right, Little Richie, Little Richie auntie, my godmother. So, well, actually, Little Richie grew up we grew in one yard. We grew up Little Richie a bigger man for me though, but we, as I tell you, we're young. I was a film grow too. As a young youth, so we did, you understand? We say, we learn, because when him did do it was working, like, you know, say, him come from here, so we see them man, they go, they swatch and, to remember them time, they swatch, passa, big and, because them man, they usually play a passa, and so, yeah.
So it was Little Richie. So did he take you on the road, or you just when you're stowaway to dance, did you really seen him?
No, man, him took up on the road, we go in a film car, man, and him we are roll with. We aspire with him.
Yeah.
Them time that we are little youth, we are bring him pouch and him ting them. Me, Mad Dog, Dapper Dan, you understand? Melody all the way we are bring him ting them. You understand? But you have this guy now, him bad, Bunny Mental. So we have Bunny Mental close. I notice Gugu Mental, Bunny Mentals, but Bunny are the one now we really give you the mic now and come could see over the turntable, you know. Come did shots, I could see over the sound. So Bunny Mental did have to get a crate and put him on the crate.
Yeah.
So somebody did it and me I do my thing and me I lick you and everybody I look like that and say, hey, watch the juvenile. Yeah, so Bunny Mental the one now way. Give me the mic and cause sometimes Little Richie Ghana country and Ghana foreign and Ghana about. So I really we and Bunny start clip now cause Bunny was the community man. We are run the place now, so him a carry in the community now. And them time we in the community we are dealing. We don't come out of our community going away. Yeah, because them time they a better timing. It was more nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What song was the area song that you guys were playing around with at that time?
Rising Star.
Rising Star.
Yeah, because if you look at Richie, Rising Star, even forward up. Yeah, so the whole way, Rising Star. They don't know, big up Father South, South Black, big up yourself, but a Rising Star sound, push the way it we go learn from. It was our really training ground, that Rising Star, our training ground. You understand? Yeah, man.
Because there's always, whenever you go to any area, there's always a bad song.
Always a bad area, a bad selector.
You know, and even an artist. Selector, song, artist.
Yeah, and the artist ever have a community song when no song can go around the song there when it play in the community.
Yeah. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter how big your song is. When you come into the area and they play that song.
Yeah, man. Era selector always bad.
Yeah.
Always bad.
Right there, Rising Star. So how long were you playing Rising Star for?
Alright, Rising Star part of our life, you know, born in night, you know. Because I'm tell you, a community thing, you know. So from me born, I have sense, had a sound there. My uncle have a sound to Donald named Cool Love, but that was a lickler sound than Rising Star. It was like a sound that him set up a film, shop and thing. But as I tell you, we love music, everything count. Look how Richie play upon it, we play upon it, but Rising Star are the bigger community sound that can string up and broad note and yeah.
And when you got there, were you more selecting music or MC, or what were you doing on Rising? What was your role on Rising Star?
Alright, as I tell you, I did young, so I could see over the crate. So I'm young, I have no pouch, I can't play nothing until them could give me the mic. You know, entertaining. But when I leave school now, I start play Rising Star. Both. But when me and Bunny Mental work together, me do the mixing and him do the talking. Yeah, somebody bend it and mix from, you understand? Yeah. But MC too.
Yeah. And did you play any big dances on Rising Star, or as you said, it was just a community song? Did you guys get to play with any big song that came into the community?
As I tell you, you know, Little Richie was a big selector, so we never really didn't need to play with him at night time, them time there. You understand? Yeah, but to play with big sound, man. Remember you have Jam Rock. So play with Jam Rock. You understand? Or play all a big party, you know?
Yeah.
We and Jam Rock mostly will play and thing. Yeah, man.
Right there. So Rising Star is nice and everything. So then how did you get from Rising Star to Stone Love? Because remember, this is a next completely different level, you know, Bass.
Alright, you'd have this guy, you know, goes by the name of Ginger. He was a big promoter. You understand? But him come from the community. So you know them money from the community, you know, you want to help a community, but him a top one, so him know Father Pow. So him see our talent in the community now. Met the link with the boss and thing, and from the day there, right to Saudi today.
Right. And did you have to go audition, or you just said you're bad, so Pow said, okay, you're bad, or Pow came and seen you because he recommended you? What was that process like now?
All right, it was when the link neck, Ginger link me and say, this Wednesday, the boss say if you come show Weddy are here night. That night, they reach up from about 4 o'clock. About 4 o'clock, me and my brother, I'm telling my dog and left me everything with my dog there.
Yeah.
By my side, me and my dog and Ginger, they said man, we carry go, him come pick me up, carry me up there. We do it from the evening, sit down. We are watching how I go on, young, say I stole of this, we are watching, I said, Jack, a whole different atmosphere this now, because we start looking now, Bounty Killer and the dance. We are say all of the star them.
Yeah.
Hand to hand, like we are say, yo, them really go play for me, I go be the man tonight, or them I go look on it. You understand? So, you see, it was a good experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good experience.
Even before we get too far, your name, Gugu Mental. How did you get that name in the first place?
All right. My mother said, at the first sound when I start make, when I start talk. So the first thing me start say, Gugu. Now, the Mental now was a crew. My brother did I mentioned earlier on. Prince, in the crew name, Mental crew. So the crew now, everybody last name, they have Mental upon it, because I sit here, Bonnie Mental, notice, Gugu Mental. But Bonnie was a part of the crew, but Bonnie was always a bigger person. So, as I tell you, from a little bit of boy, I'm a big man, so I don't know me there on the big man, the man race. So, I say, hey, Gugu Mental. You see, it's a Gugu Mental from me a baby. You don't know, you knew what Bill or nothing. I'm born with the name.
Yeah. You just happened to take the name?
Yeah.
To the big sound.
To the big sound, yeah.
Weddy now, you're doing your stuff now. So then what was that first night like now, really getting to play on Stone Love when you hear them push, well, Stone Love? What was that feeling like?
It was a different feeling. It was a different atmosphere. It was a good feeling because I'm a youth, I'm smart, I'm a young youth, I'm kind of smart, I'm ever observe and I go there and early, I know I'm a little youth and I say, I be big people there, and them. I never get much time for play there. My Father Pow give me 15 minutes. But when my Father Pow, the teacher, the professor, them man they can hear you play one song. Your first song, they can play, and we Pow can tell you say, him good.
Yeah.
Your first song. Him have that passion there for the music.
Yeah.
So I'm going to play for 15 minutes. You understand? And the 15 minutes, it was early too. So it was more mature crowd. I don't know, I'm a tell you, I'm going to study, I'm going to hold it. So I'm going to say, I'm going to say, he's my dog. And me up next to them, because my dog aspired. I say, I'm sure I go on, man.
Yeah.
Play some more, it's my dog, as I look at you to everybody. I say, yeah, look at you, know them tune there. Yeah.
And that's what people like. You see, when you don't look like you're supposed to know those things, and then you start reeling them off?
I say this, you know. You see, foundation can't get out foundation. Can't get out the root. So Gugu Mental went to Stone Love, you observe Stone Love style, because you have to play Stone Love style, but you have to put your style with it. Because remember, every man have them own style, but you can't left out the original and the foundation. Can't do that.
Because it's like you go, it has a pattern, you just add to it your style.
Yeah, do it my style, my way, but the same pattern.
Yeah.
You understand? And that I feel most of the young selector them for the car. Most of the young selector them, people bash them and say them play one set of music and them this and them that, but sometimes I feel the right thing for tell them is them for do more homework. YouTube is there.
Yeah.
Bounty Killer tell me that's a Gugu Mental, YouTube is there. I just go up on Stone Love and I talk to Bounty Killer, him say, youth, I say young, you don't know the thing of Stone Love, it's like a big library, a big museum. You have to go in there, search, take out what you want and bring it to the fore and you run the place. You understand? So you have to do the foundation. Once them learn the foundation there, with them style, with them have now, and then put it together, murder.
You see, and even the fact that even you said Killa now, because remember, the first time you're going, you're seeing Killa and all these artists here.
Yeah.
What was that like really knowing that Killa's talking to you? Did he see something in you or say, yo, I see this youth's going to really bust, make him really give you a talk?
Yeah, all right. Bounty Killer at the first, I'm forward on Stone Love, at the first artist where me and him did end up have a good relationship.
Yeah.
Is it a G for Monday? Reason me from when I did young. Man, it's like Gugu Mental, you are going on, you're young. Stone Love is a library. You see, you can reach far from Stone Love, but you have to do your homework. Bounty Killer said, do your homework, Gugu.
Yeah.
Go into the museum, go into the box, go for the thing them, go for the weapon them,
Yeah.
and forward out, and you run the place.
And especially somebody like Killer telling you to do this, and you're excited to meet Killer, so you 100% you're gonna listen to him.
Yeah.
And say, this is what I need to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so you know, if I tell the general, I tell them, man, but them been there before, you know.
Yeah.
And them not telling the foolishness. You see, I never chat to nobody, I'm a career. No say, yo, general, I say, yo. So it did a good feeling.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, grow now. So it's a good feeling, you know, stuck. So it motivates you along the way.
To keep moving.
Yeah, to keep moving.
Did you feel like, say, yo, I'm a boss now the first time you played Stone Love?
Alright. Me's a humble youth, you know.
Yeah.
The boss, alright. From the on Stone Love, I'm just forward a Stone Love till now, I'm the same type of person means. See, so me's not a youth to really live that something about boss. I just feel like music is a mission and the cake so big that it don't make sense you wanna try to be too much out there, like say, yo, I hear a thing. You are you, man, you have a fans them and people are gonna use you and people are gonna have them other selector with them like, but you just have to do great. So if you are the great, me are the great, a promoter can say, yo, me a book Muslim, me a book Gugu Mental, I'll put it like, at a mind frame that me afterwards the music. My mind frame is not about, say, run the place and go bust some bigger than anybody. Means I'm more of a want to the thing, gel and, you understand me I say? Yeah.
You're like a team player. You like
team player. Yeah. You understand? More my sound with their own Stone Love. Play with any man, you understand? Come in, I could do the thing. He's not a self-centered person. No, I ain't my thing.
Yeah.
Is it? My thing, a team. Yeah.
True. Because even now, you got your 15 minutes, you did your stuff. When was the first time you really got the break on Stone Love? Was it you flew out first, you got another big dance? Where did you really start to get the vibe around Stone Love?
All right, really, so 2014 I start really work. I've been at work still, but 2014 now, the thing gets serious now. Things change. I go play this boss, say, yo, you got to do the work now, you know. So you have to take it serious now, go on. From the boss tell me that now. As I'm telling me, a man, I did always do my homework. So you see, every time I get a chance, I can excel. Because come like, all right, I'm telling you, a football team, and a starting player injured. And the coach say, I hear time to prove yourself. When I go out there, I'm supposed to get back for him game. You know?
Yeah.
I've been there on the bench all and I watch how I go on. You know? So I go out there and say, hey, ready, you know.
Yeah.
So I come out, I forward out, sharp. So even when I mix for the senior selector them, they must say, yo, him can play, man. So I saw, because really and truly, on Stone Love, at the selector them, I go give that encouragement to make you reach.
Yeah.
The boss put you upon the sound, you know. But again, the selector them, they road at night time, so them really, I go give that energy they feel. You understand what I say? So I saw me get them as always ready. Yeah.
And did they pair you up with a selector, say, okay, this is who's going to be basically your coach, are going to show you the ropes when you're on the song?
No. And then we would always be the person, because them man, I'm young, you know, so man, I always make sure say me get a different reasoning.
Yeah.
You understand? Because you know we are the future. So yeah, support all, but no one, we never stuck to no team, we never stuck to no one. But play with everybody and anyone, me and Cosby, me and Diamond, me and all of them was good. Randy Rich,
Yeah.
Fire Rust, all of them, in them time when them did that.
Yeah. And when you got there, were you the youngest selector on the song at that time?
Up to now.
Up to now.
And the youngest selector.
Young
From
Genna.
2011 till now, I'm still the youngest. I'll show you how young and selector still even forward with them thing, we're still even older than me, same.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
When you're singing, when was the first time you flew out on Stone Love?
Guyana, my forward, 2017 the first time. Guyana was my first show.
What was that like now? Because remember, you came from the community, Then you went to Weddy, which is a next different thing. Now you're going to a completely different country where you don't know anybody, you don't know what they like, you don't know what's going on. What was that feeling like now going to Guyana to go play music?
That was a great feeling, you know, because the first time, you know, and I Guyana, you know, I'm in a small foreign, nobody could tell me I'm a big foreign, me I go, you know. Me I move out of Jamaica now, you know, my suitcase pack and me I go in a different place. So, Gugu Mental, me in line now, I'm flying now. Achieve something.
Who did you fly out with?
Slaughter, Billy Slaughter played the first time I fly out.
And you said, and the people that accepted you when you were there, you had to really work in. What was that experience like now for you going there?
It was a good experience, you know, because you know, Stone Love is so big that when we forward and the people Stone Love selected them, like when people say, yeah man, so we did already have the reception there already, so it was good.
Yeah.
It was good.
Right there, big guy, and now you're coming back now. So then now, when you say you're really playing the song, who would you say as a sound system or selector really makes you go into the box? Now, when you're playing with this song here, I got to make sure I bring my A game.
All right. How me view music now, me as a man must view the music different. The better the selector when I play, when I say with or against, in which way them put it, it better for me. Because I'm tell you something, as a selector, when you play, when you have a good lineup of selectors, your job easier as a selector because remember, every man professional. So you see the man who are going to play from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, him going to play 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock juggling, him experience, him not skip or nothing. Sometimes when you play with the selector, them when that experience and reach a level there, because I would say no good, you know. I not call nobody no good because I never know what the future brings because it was a still learning process.
Not experience.
They're not experienced because we don't know. You understand? It's harder for you as a selector because each time is like you have to fix the damage of them do. So when you play with a selector when you really that experience, you as an experienced selector, it's rough by you. Because remember, a music you deal with.
Of course.
If it not start good, it not end good no matter how good it is. So I like when I play, I like have a good lineup of selector. When me look at me say, the big sound, then a big sound, then a big sound, then a big sound, then me, you get a better performance from a Gugu Mental. Yeah.
Right there. So again, which song or selector would you say, this is the one? I like to play along because they really give you that energy where you have to go in the box.
Well, as I tell you, you have, in a music, you know, mostly, you have somebody out there, when a boss night, you know, I can't remember them name, but they have somebody youth. As I tell you, it not to me, I not go point on the sound there, or the sound there and say, when I play with the sound, I know as long as there's your experience and can play, as some me work. The better you get out of Gugu Mental. You understand? You know make me, when I play with good sound, you know make me have for thing for God do nothing. I just don't say, party, the man that juggle me, I come in my juggling, you know, the party nice and it's like me I enjoy myself while me I do it. But some me love play with the experience selector. You understand? Who have a bad, every selector have a bad night.
Of course.
You understand? More than one too. So that's the type. But I like play with the more experienced selector still.
Sound clash. Have you ever been in a sound clash ever in your career, or is that something you want to get into, or that's not really your type of thing?
No, I don't like clash.
How come?
Alright, it's a clash. Clash is a thing where it's more of a, I say no, it would be more entertainment. So, I'm not really, clash, I'm not really the baddest selector within or the bigger tune, you know. Adjust the entertainment of the person who have the mic or the alright. You see like Squingy, when I watch him, I'm persona I'm use and everybody cut down for clash. Everybody cut down but the personality. So it's a clash is more of an entertaining thing. The man who can be able the regular the abnormal way and doing thing. You understand? So that's the thing about clashing. But clash is a thing where I don't really mind thing, but I like watch it doing. I like watch it doing. I like watch clash, but I don't really me as I'm telling you, me is a music man. Juggling, I like see people are bad with that, like Cause that I grew up on. I never grew in a clash with Little Richie. Them not clash nothing. Me see man.
Because if you say you're going to pasa in those places, there, clearly it's
a dance hall. Me never go see no clash things. So me clash no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Juggling.
just keep it.
Never been a one clash me ever do, and it wasn't a clash like Stole Love.
Yeah.
It was a really weep up with on the clash.
Okay.
Selector versus selector. Stole Love selected them versus selector.
Yeah.
So the clash go now, Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. So what you do, them have a bag of a Weddy, you dip in the bag. Any artist you take out, you have to use the artist for kill the next artist.
Yeah.
So other clash there, me did go in, my own go clash that.
Yeah.
Never going in more clash.
And who was it against? Who was it versus?
Randy Rich, my core, me and him play.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and him team, Young Genna.
Yeah.
So I did me and him. It was entertaining, it was nice.
Yeah. Who won?
Me.
Yeah. And you had Bounty as was it?
No, Beanie.
Yeah.
A Beanie Man, me did pick.
Yeah. Now I'm a big deal because again, you see you on the song, you see you doing stuff, but you don't really get to understand how your mind works while you're doing all this stuff here.
Yeah. My mind work different, man. My mind work different. As I tell you, to me is a party person. So when I not select, I go party. So I some me learn because you will get caught up in yourself, you know. If each time you go to an event, you have to play, you no more longer know the nature of your surrounding because you're not in the crowd with the people them normally, so you get caught up in yourself. So me is a man who always go to party because I'm telling you this, I learn from everybody. I learn from everybody. I like go to go listen because I know how far me there. I know how far me there in the music. What I need for change, what I need for do, what I'm missing. What I need for come with, what the difference I need for make. Yeah. So I always try to go around and listen for learn. I have no ego in my thing to music. And music I love.
I get that 100% because I know even back to 2013, you were keeping dances, like your birthday dance and those stuff there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I been a key party from before me upon Stone Love. The first party I keep as I'm telling me my bridging name my dog, I'm not left him out of nothing.
Yeah.
Zine? And the party there was a rising star plate.
Okay.
Yeah. Said Little Richie, Randy Rich, Gugu Mental then. Whatever. Big party. So from them time I keep party.
And then when did you start doing your birthday dances?
Alright, the big dance now, or the thing transform over now. When I go Stone Love now, or the party thing chip in back now, I start keep them big show ya. Bounty Killer. The first time when me and him attack him said, where you forward from? So I say south side. Remember Bounty Killer that in the man there. The man that lock Jamaica in the whole place. So the man say south side. Yeah man, Google man. You know, Renkas Corner man. Our place that man, original place man. So Bounty Killer say, yo, say you keep party. Say, yeah man, I keep party man. So the man say, keep on man, me I come. Say, yeah. Keep a party, Bounty Killer forward. So I link my dog and I say, my dog, you know, say. Come in time, I'm just upon Stone Love. The first time I do everything, no, I say, my dog, Bounty Killer say, I keep something in my forward. My dog I say, talk to Weepo now, I say, Weepo, you know, I'm upon Stone Love now, so. I Stone Love, I for use, come on, bring a difference to me, come on. Remember, when the day, Stone Love have me out there now, a country, St. Elizabeth, Albo, work, you know, somebody kind of, the community, ungla see me at daytime, I see me at nighttime at the party, them, because I have Stone Love work.
Got you. Yeah.
So, I did want to bring a difference for sure the community when I'm out there, though. So I say, all right, now, here we go, my dog. We're going to use Stone Love. And I hear Stone Love now come and sold from Chubby Jed, passed away, R.I.P. Stone Love have never been back in Southside.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah, so me really revolutionized about that. So when I forward now and I say Stone Love, through Bounty Killer forward now, I want to get the party and name, so I name it Stone Love down in the ghetto. Because through Bounty Killer, that's someone's name down in the ghetto, so it named Stone Love down in the ghetto. It keep on a 4-way corner. So a 4-color motorbike Stone Love spread that, yo, from the sound reach, the truck, the place full. Everybody say like, Stone Love, come up, yo, go, read them, tell me I look at you, but never I see it. All them things on YouTube, them can type it in, Gugu Mental birthday party, you can see.
Yeah.
And I know the love for Bounty Killer did have for me and the respect. I even have no stage. I have no sponsor, nothing. I just Stone Love on the road. And Bounty Killer stand up on the sidewalk and DJ for the people them. And it was fun.
Yeah,
man, it was fun.
Because that was almost like your homecoming, where you're playing the big soul.
Playing the big, yeah, man, that was my homecoming. You see, that was the first staging other party when I go a Stone Love. Then I start keep it at other major venue now, moving from south and go other place where it does get established now, you understand? Gugu Mental birthday where some people look forward to, even overseas people, because when I do the culture, I keep it. You understand? Yeah. Because I used to just do my thing different. I don't really go for the everyday thing. Just try to do my thing different.
Because I know you have a good link in TG, because I think TG is probably the neighboring community.
All right. Enough people ask me now, oh, why I keep it at TG, or I reach at TG if I keep it. Like, Tivoli now is carry a dancehall culture. Because I'm tell you, I go dance a long time since a place so I usually go from here, Liquor Youth, I usually go passa with Little Richie. Because Little Richie usually play Swatch.
Yes, man.
So I didn't know that Tivoli carry a different Tivoli, jungle, south side, you see them community here, them carry some you see, if you learn to play music at them community here, you can't go anywhere go mash up the place, because them people here, them rough. So when them people are believing in, realize that them you can't get to move them people here. So that's why I really did keep it at Tivoli girl. I know Tivoli is the place now where you can it have the culture there with that tree sound thing there. Because I remember now, I said history at Tivoli, I was the first person to bring Bass Odyssey inside Tivoli garden,
What?
Nobody has ever done that before,
Bass Odyssey?
Yeah, remember tree sound sing up on my birthday, Swash, Stone Love, Bass Odyssey. That was like a real big thing. And it never happened at Tivoli for years. So I know so the younger generation at dancehall now, we're in a Tivoli, you are party. Them never witnessed it yet. So I say, all right then. Me do it a country enough. The tree sound thing, town people really get it done enough. So I say, you know what, I bring this at town. So I say, yeah, I have job for Bass Odyssey. So it was Bass Odyssey in a Tivoli and that was like, whoa, like everybody was like, yeah. I just saw we had it tonight. Yeah, so I saw. And the culture, Tivoli have that culture for that. Because even when you watch the party on the YouTube, you notice they'd have a clash in the morning and
with Bass Odyssey and Swatch. Yeah,
yeah.
I think Bass Odyssey locked off Swatch. as a friendly thing.
A friendly thing, yeah, man. Swatch was sold by Neil, a big up Swatch, man. Swatch up in them town, man. Because I really and truly I love Swatch too, because I tell you, a Little Richie usually, a Swatch usually play, I tell you, so him inspire. So when we did younger, a Swatch we did like, but we wouldn't know the Stone over the early Mortal. We didn't know that a one-way traffic. Yeah. But me never really that put even my heart so high. So when we reach a Stone Love now, it's like I say, really, come on, Stone Love a big something. I'm not playing on a Stone Love. So when we really reach a Stone Love now, I say, geez, it really happened. Because Stone Love was like, but I mean, I want to have Stone Love real.
I know what you're saying. Just by what you said, I understand. Because when you used to listen to Stone Love CD and cassette, it almost sounded like a movie.
Like a movie. Stone Love thing was like, all right. But just to see the sound actually string up somewhere, just the system, the boxes, the chuck, the appearance of it bring a whole different thing.
Yeah.
So me I say, yo, Stone Love thing, you can't even go around Stone Love sound. If you're afraid, touch even a button or because the man the thing, the Stone different, it does different. When Stone Love come in your community, come string up, the whole thing change. It changed.
Right. Did you ever attempt to play Swatch, or did they ever link you or anything, or it was just right to Stone Love?
I did try to reach out to Swatch, but I don't think I did. Like, I try to reach out, but it's like I never. When I look back on it now, it's like if it's a problem, I never pushed enough interest or do the right thing. But Swatch on my sound, but I did attempt to play it at one point.
Okay.
Yeah, but those earlier days. Yeah.
Got there. You mentioned something. You said one of your early birthday dads, you didn't have your rastem yet. What made you actually put on your locks?
I'm usually plot up first and grow, but here we go on and almost. You see when time them the woman them a Jamaica for catch you so. Jesus Christ, I remember now, them time the Stone Love play. No, not even said them time there, mistake. Stone Love play 7 days a week. If more days a day in the week, them would have did it too. And remember now, every Stone Love dance is a big dance. Because remember to everybody will use it as something big them a keep. So remember a plotting that so sometime in the year, the plotting, look, I don't have the time for go back at the ear just to go. But you see the locks now, when I do the locks can serve me for like 3 weeks. You understand? Because the locks, I can pull it up. I can't do anything. The locks just natural. So that's why I really do it. If you can move around, if you keep that image there. You know?
Keeping it there. Yeah, man, definitely. So you're doing big stuff. As I said, you started to grow your locks and do all of this now. So when did you really, because you went to Guyana first, when was the first time you really touched like Canada, States, or England now? Big firing.
All right. First time I come to Canada, 2018 now, Junior Mafia. First time I come to Canada. Junior Mafia, big up yourself. Him first wing. Me a forward to Canada, me a Randerich. Yeah, man, my first time. First time. It was a good experience. That was alright. The first time I forward to Canada now. Me I feel like me not a show now, you know.
Yeah.
Like a show me I watch, because you know, say, when I look at you, I watch a movie, them on the hungry place, I can't get for see fire in a show, you know.
Yeah.
When I really come on for the plane, I see the big pretty city.
When you see it landing and you see the light.
I say, all right. From in the plane, I look up, I say, yo,
that fire.
there's not.
So it was Canada before the States that you got to?
Canada, all right. I'm going to show you how my thing work away. I have the US visa first.
Yeah.
I get the Canadian visa after and still end up coming to Canada first before entering the US.
Yeah.
So Canada was my first big country with me forward. And so that's the interview.
Yeah.
Canada, see me, Canada the first. Yes, I just say I got the energy.
It's just the link.
I just the link.
You know what I mean? Playing the big bad song like that. So even now with Bass Odyssey, because I know that's a different type of song.
Yeah,
you remember your first night, you playing with Bass Odyssey?
Yeah, man. I can't forget the night there.
Yeah.
I can't forget it. A man named Banga, Shilani, and Big Dance.
Yeah.
Guess I go on now. Me young.
Yeah.
Stone up selected them gone a foreign. Billy Slaughter gone. That them man, everybody gone. That me and this you know named Ice Kid. Promoter didn't even to want to see me.
Yeah.
Man vex. I said, oh, them man, nobody don't know them man there.
Almost feel like it's at the chumps them, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, but don't know them, the command them, the young youth, they don't know nothing about dance. Ray. But I'm telling you, I was a youth where nothing fears me now. I'm in a coward. I'm in a fear. And come on to, yeah, I'm a youth where don't know me, I don't prepare for life already and thing. So, when I forward, I'm a man, not get me weak or weary. When I do that, I didn't know that out because come on, people don't know you're big people pay them money as I said Gugu Mental and bad know. So I know them not gonna do that. Me just know say the only thing me did have to do. When me go up like a play, I have to make this money. Say yeah, you me dog, man, you respect your man.
You have to change your job.
All right.
It's a change his
No, it's no that same dancer me I tell you about.
Yeah.
Me I make it to the dance a couple of years now. Through the international level where I reach. Right now the promoter there, he comes here time. Google, alright. But yeah, in party was November the 25th.
Yeah.
And me post a flyers for overseas, November the 25th. The man have my number, and see the difference. The man say, Google, yes, a Banga, respect Banga, because Banga, when I like with him too, him did accept when I come do, and give me the respect. Because from the day there, I've never stopped playing for Banga. I just show international duties.
Yeah.
But once I there Jamaica, I'm go to a Banga party. Because Banga even come on my party then. Things when I do Banga dead, everything Banga support me now. Banga come to town, because as I tell you, alright, it's a Gugu Mental respect when I carry in Jamaica and the love, I show me music. I'm a playing.
Yeah.
All my play people just respect the playing because guess what? As a young youth, me I do it different. Me not follow.
Yeah.
My attitude different. My approach towards the music different. And my music and my play, my selection different.
Yeah.
Me not follow the crowd. Me not the bagger. A standard me I deal with because I know music. I know what music can do to people. Understand? For instance, you have some people that say, boy, them going to a party. For instance, the crowd, they're between 20 to 25. So a selector I go into the crowd, he might go read the dance and he might go say, I'm going to play a young music. Because a young crowd, no. You can't play all it's for young people. But guess how me meds it now? Look for how me do the mark. People tell me something. Everything in my life are maths. So do it and add it up and there, get the answer. Yeah. And from that day, ribbit in my head. So when me was 20 to 25, or for instance, me was even 16 to 20, where I try to tell me say, I never know all it.
You're in the house, your mom's playing.
Everyone our mother would know would know the popular one them. So you still can play all it's for young crowd, but you have to choose at the all it's where you got choose.
The popular ones.
The popular ones where you know would directly grow up on. You understand me? I say, all right. Everybody between 20 to 25 know that tune here. That's why friends are for us.
Of course.
See? I'll be on your side forever. That's what friends are. And watch out. If you ask majority, who know the song, them don't know who sing it. But at the end of the day, that's not really the point for them know. The point is that them know the music. But at the end of the day, the point of me I try to get across is that young people know all it's because all of us grew up with our mother, our father. So then they need to listen to certain things, a certain song we didn't know, so you can play them for the young crowd too. But how you come across it, how you deliver it, and the song them how you choose. Yeah. But you can't play it for them. Them know music. All I will know, no pain, steady bashment, hey you got members only. Every young people know that song there. Because certain songs, alright, why you think certain song, why them say certain music great? And the generation gap make you say things great. Because remember, none of we never born when the song do. But all we come to know it.
Singing it word for word in advance.
Another big song, Tevin Campbell, Can We Talk for a Minute? And me, your grandparents, them are born. All them are come to the song there, no? Them songs they not come off of earth, you know?
That's great.
As long as you have life, certain song will always be here. Them not gonna move.
And you know, talking to you, just those 3 songs that you just mentioned, remember, you didn't say a reggae song out no, you know, boss. These are some big international soul music.
You want to get the souls them now. Me don't want to cheat the game. For instance, we say, remember, we are Jamaican. So, if I use the reggae music, we did already. So, when I say all it's now, I try to go up on more international level, just to show you, say, music powerful, music wide, music not stop on one person. Music big. You understand what I say? So that's why I use the music there, because the music there, them would say more difficult for them know. Yeah, so that's why I just preach so.
Yeah. Levels.
Yeah,
that I mean. Do you cut any of the dubs or any? You go to studio and stuff like that and cut some of the dubs?
Yeah. I cut dub.
Yeah.
I cut dub, but my dub that me cut. Stone is not a class sound. But you have the baddest set of dub them.
Yeah.
If we really forgot clash, I think it to the unfair. Because reason why I myself Stone for clash to the unfair. Come on, bro. The man them don't play them coming like 45. A regular music. Remember, you know, when a man go in and clash and cut a song, you know, when him come to the clash, he have to tell you, say, yo, this and this a combination, and if and a boy now have this. Remember, you know, my general, when you drop a Stone of rhythm, you know, really rock, you know. I remember, you know, from a man go drop the no ice cream sound already. Remember the really rock not come yet. The whole crowd know when them go play. Stone of Dubplate them so popular because Stone of Billy dub them for juggling purpose. That's alright. Why you think when a sound, you have enough sound, you know, we have bad class sound. But when them and Stone of in a dance hall, most of the class sound them and the bad sound them, when them and Stone of in a dance hall, Stone Love always, the Dubplate juggling there, Stone Love always hold the vibes there. You know why? Because Stone Love Dubplate them universal, they make we can play in the regular dance hall. So most of the dub them where the rest of man them cut them for clash purposes. So me mind clash and dance carry 2 different atmosphere.
Completely.
You understand me I say? So but Stone Love dub them now can play in a dance hall. The regular that them can juggle the whole of them Dubplate them. More time we play with someone, I would know them full of dub, but them can't play one because them Dubplate no might can't fit in. You understand? Yeah. So the Dubplate thing, you know, yeah.
Playing no ice cream song, those big songs on the real. What was that like the first night you played them?
I feel like a selector. I feel like a real selector.
Yeah.
I feel like I play something. I feel like I do something now. I say, yeah, this is it. And no ice cream sound me I play. I remember saying, I know them dub from a phone and Stone of it.
But that's what I'm showing you. A lot of times we would listen to the cassettes, watch the DVD and stuff, and yeah, we know that we would have to rewind it ourselves. But you know,
yeah, man, when I play them dub them, man, me I say, yeah, the real thing this. Yeah, man.
Definitely. You said you've been on the song from 2011, but it's really 2014 is where you really solidified on the song.
Yeah, as in, me I do the thing, you know, me I got dance late to them with the selector them now, really, been there do my thing from 2011. You understand? But them time me start really.
Because even then it was more juggling, and then now it came into more singles. Do you really prefer the more juggling style or the singles, or you're a music man, it's anything or anything?
Alright. Me's a man in my general. Music a sound, you know. Sound is a beat, you know. And it's a vibe. Once a man put out a music and it work. That's the reason why people are dance to it, because them like it, nobody not dancing with them, you know. So when it come on to music, as I tell you, me not carrying a special preference, just put on something good and give me for play. I know so I can just make a good song, give me. But I can bust up the place with. I just so me pretty music. You understand? Yeah. Cause the juggling, where you gonna say if I prefer juggling or singles, you see, what the artists them and the unity are cause the juggling for can build. So them really have to fix that. That not nothing to do with me and you. So them have to do that, but music me I deal with. Yeah, me no business with them something there.
Yeah.
Music. Artists them sing the song. I don't care which artist. If you sing it and it sound good, me I play it. I don't business if you're a chopper, or what you do about chopper this or chopper what. As I'm telling you, say a crowd me play for. So if I go in a dance and I be a chopper in there, I go and play the chopper music them. Because the people you play for, it's simple.
Yeah.
You can't come proof on the people them, you know. Because you come for them, enjoy themselves, you know. So you know proof on them. You play, and music is the reason why them want to hear it, because it feel nice. Even me they in a party, I dance to them.
Okay.
Because it's so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. Some
Did you ever get a chance to really say, Gugu Mental, bust this song, this artist, or something where you said, okay, you're the one that set this to the world?
Means a man, as I'm tell you, a program different. My reasoning different. In the time of me forward and I do music and I play a new song for say boss, no one man can bust a song right now. No one man can bust a song. A one man, you put it to the people them. You first play it. But when you first play it, it never mean it bust. But you see the artist though, you're supposed to give credit for the man that really play it. First, you have to still give him the credit because of him get that out there for make you know say, yo, the thing I go work. But literally busting the song. No one modern time, you have internet, you have how much other selector. Remember, you know, one time now, when a man cut a tune and a man gets Stone Love alone, a Stone Love alone have the song, so it's Stone Love bust it.
Yeah.
You alone can't bust something now when 10,000 man play it. I just say ego, you use a fool yourself and a chat foolish, but you want to bust on.
Yeah.
So Gugu Mental alone can't bust on song. Me first play it, and me one bust it.
Yeah.
How much man I play it?
Yeah.
Well, how much one Gugu Mental?
Yeah.
So you have all different, you have the side, then you have enough things that I have now. Even right now, you have a dancer, I do choreography for dance, and the dancing make the song end up even break away and go out there. So right now, it's just a team. You understand? So nowadays, the artist here do something, you about say song, go every channel. But really and truly though, me hear some people adjust some things and say some things, and I wonder if them pre where them say, like for instance, most when a man say, I'm gonna put it now, say TikTok, boss song.
You got to, I want to hear this.
Alright, now let me explain that part here to the people them. TikTok, them say TikTok boss the song, you know. So them say them don't need dancehall no more because TikTok them I use. That is stupidness. Because I'm reasoning it out here in a logical way.
Okay.
You put out the song boss, pan TikTok, you know. So me get up every day, I look at my phone. So the artist can't get the money by me, can't make the money by me just going on TikTok watching people. I do film thing. The song have to play in the dance. Because here what the dancehall do. The dancehall make the artist know how far the song dead. So even if him go perform the song in him set, him know how big him song is. I know which part to drop it. So let me tell you this, it's a foundation, you can't get rid of it. Them have to come into the streets. Yeah. You have to come into the street. Because when the song bust on TikTok, you must bring it in the streets for know how far it there. How you gonna see all the people in my dance street, how them respond.
A lot of times they see 100,000, 500,000 views, but you don't know if that's one person viewing it 500,000 times or 500,000 people viewing it one time.
One time. So at the end of the day, you need the streets. I can't talk about TikTok bust nothing. TikTok do part. Because Because let me tell you, we not bash nothing, you know. Because everything play a role, that's why it is there. So TikTok make people know about it, you hear it. But in the dance, I know it have to come in. It's like graduation, you know. So no matter what you are doing in music, everything have to come back. You have to come out with.
Yeah.
You have to come out Uptown Monday. You have to go about Tuesday. You have to come out all of them party. You understand what I say? You have to come at them for know where your song there. You have to come in the dance.
You have to campaign in real life.
You can't go up on TikTok alone. What you going to overdo? What you going to over? You can't. You're lost. So any artist out there feel like TikTok alone can help him, it alone can't help. It can help, but part way. So do your TikTok thing, forward in the dance hall. The two of them are.
Because it's like, remember, one time there was just radio and sound. Now there's radio, sound, TikTok, Instagram,
yeah, because what
satellite
remember,
radio.
The radio, you know, I like, all right, the radio, I said thing, I said TikTok, I use it because I said purpose it I do. Because the radio, what the radio do is the radio make you hear the song in your car every day, but in your car that you need the song. When you hear the song, when you're driving, you hear the song. I say you sing a bad name on the radio, you know, and you have one big party later, you know. You know, say why every time you say yeah, because the song have to play in the dance really boss.
On that big sound.
On that big sound for the clapping there, so it have to play in the dance for you know say the song there so. Yeah.
No man, I figure that way because if you just think that it's TikTok alone, cause remember, TikTok is a thing where you can be hot today and tomorrow you got.
Yeah, because guess what's going on? You can't use TikTok alone as a musician to keep you current because every day something coming to the media will change the narrative from you. So if you follow the TikTok, you always keep on after you're doing stuff for be in the media. What you need for do, you need to do no more groundwork. We can't move because when it built from the root, you know, it can't move, you know. So you have to go around, you know, the streets, the dance hall, go put that groundwork there. You understand? That's why Beanie Man and Bounty Killer them can't move. Because the amount of groundwork where them put in on the ground, them can't move. So the man not feeling on TikTok every day. See Beanie Man on TikTok, they don't. But them not. Them phone ring every day.
Yeah.
Because the work with them put in on the ground. You can't be foundation. You can't be the original style.
You have to be in, as you said, you have to be on the ground, boss.
You have to be on the ground. You have to be on the ground. Yeah, man.
You've traveled a lot of places. I know you just came off a Europe tour. You've been UK, Canada, everywhere. Where do you find the biggest difference, or even do you have to adjust your playing style everywhere you go, or you just know this is the brand I come with, so then this is how I'm going to deliver it?
All right. Here we go. I'm going to show you how me read the dance hall now. Remember, you play Stone Love. So when somebody books Stone Love, and book them for a reason. So, them want the Stone Love vibes there. Yeah. But at the end of the day too, you have to read the crowd on a natural outside of the Stone Love them want. You have to really read them professionally for know how to get them in the vibes there, if you can put on the Stone Love vibes there to them, for them accept it. You understand what I say? So I saw me read it. But I might read it night. Because nothing can be the Stone Love style, because that's it. People them go book and go play. I hear book at a certain place and they go play read rock. No. Them and surprisingly some take us some place. And they said the young people, your friend, visit the amount of gunshot them for the
That's
dub.
what they want. That's what they want.
Yeah, so you can't live it. So I saw me play. So me, I'm going to go overseas. That me do. I'm going to come with my Stone Love style. As I'm tell you, Google style. Blame it together.
And when did you start actually juggling and talking by yourself? Now it's like, okay, I'm a column and Stone Love by myself.
Corona. COVID caused that, really. All right. Me alone for the sound. Did have the documents in Corona for me to show them overseas Jamaica lockdown. So I was in America for 4 months. Yeah. So I saw my forward now. And I do my show them. And I'm me alone. Corona, the promoter, them have to use me. Them gonna promote the dance. And on the option, them want the Stone Love. So me, you know, say, hey, MC time and winner. Take up this mic, and the first time me start MC, people was like, yeah, MC long time, or you can't just set up a mic, sound so professional. The man must say, yo, you swallow something, or your voice even sounds so. They must say, dog, the man voice strong, the man voice big. Yeah, and my voice different than on all the mic, you know.
You know that?
And powerful voice and thing. Yeah, but as I tell you from before, my Ben did I do it.
Yeah.
Nothing new. Nothing never new. Just new to the people them. But it never new like for the people them really know me. Never new to them.
That part there. Because I seen you, when I seen your Prosperity, I seen you, I think it was Metro Media was there
Metro
with Sky
Media,
Juice.
yeah, them play
then you
before me.
came on. Yes.
Yeah.
It's like I forgot what the words you said, but you could see that it was two different things. It said like Sky Juice brought the entertainment, but
Yeah.
then now you're gonna get the juggling.
Yeah, alright. Sky Juice now, as I'm tell you, entertainment. Sky Juice go, if you notice him entertaining, him roll him belly, him do all sort of thing. So remember now, you know, I Gugu Mental now, I come after, you know. So me now, as a man now, me entertain different, you know. I can entertain the crowd, you know, but as I'm tell you, every man style different. So if you notice when me start to work, me start juggle. And bust up the place now, I'm start use the music now like it entertain. The crowd brother say, yo, the man dead, yo, Gugu Mental dead, hey, the dog get sick. Come start bring the heat and the roughness to the party now, when I juggle it at a Sky Juice Stone Entertainment now, I come rough it up. Yeah, so that's our thing. Hardcore juggling.
Yeah, man. That from there, I've heard you on the CDs, I heard you online many a time. But when I seen you and then you said, okay, and you definitely made that distinction. And again, it wasn't in a disrespectful way, you know. It was like, that's his way, and this is going to be
tell you, with me, every veteran selector, Gugu Mental them selector, as a little youth.
Yeah.
You know why? Them say, the only youth is a come show, Gugu now. Hype and we, and them man need us. Make them man come. Because I love elder people. I tell them I love the foundation, because you can't beat it. Because me as a man, I have all fans, you know, all people are my fans, you know. You understand? Most of my fans, them all of them too, you know, because as I tell you, I'm a stone of me and play. So me as a man, I love the veteran selector them. And the man them set the thing, Virgin.
Yeah.
And the man them say, can't go around Tony Matterhorn them. You see it, foot of them, fire links, you don't know, Bass Odyssey, you don't know the whole. So you can't go around the man them thing, Virgin.
Yeah.
You can't offer the man them bad. You see what, alright. You see what them even they do? You see what them do, muscle? We didn't even get the chance to do it because of different timing. We didn't even get the chance to do what them did I do.
Yeah.
So them set it. So you just have to give them ratings and know so them man, they are them man, they are we just do our thing. We don't need for like the new generation and the young and them man in the bad and no.
You're just putting your thing?
Yeah, that's why I mean the whole of them so good. Every time them keep birthday party, I go mental them use from Stone Love.
Because but talking about that, I seen you had Matterhorn at your last birthday.
Yeah, because remember now, Matterhorn is a Tivoli king. From them time there, from the Pasa days and the big dancer with Stone Love and the, you understand? Remember say Matterhorn was a Tivoli king. So you don't know, bringing him back now after them, everybody was like, yo, the dog, I got be a girl and yeah, so as I tell you, I bring back the fire. Everything I do, I do it off a passion. I don't fall and do nothing off a hype or excitement. I do off a woman did been did see back then, woman now say no, I try to bring it back. Tree sound, Tony Matterhorn, different style of dance, original. Yeah.
100%. I got two questions before I get you out of here.
Yeah.
And we talk about what you're up here for. We're at the end of 2023, going into 2024. What would you say, who would you say was the artist of 2023? And what song would you say was a song of 2023? And remember, this is just your opinion. This isn't a 100% factor whatsoever.
Artist of 2023?
Artist of 2023 and song of 2023.
Well, to be fair, artist of 2023. Well, all the artists them are going to go and check it out, you know. Every youth do them thing, but I more feel like I can't answer the song part though. But the artist part though, all of them do them thing. Because I must say, me as a man, I must say, me a traveler, I see the youth them, you know. I must say the first time we're there with Craft and you don't know, the youth them do them thing. You understand me? I say, so I don't see nobody for youth that do them thing, but when me just say the song now, for 2023, me da give it to Drift. You have to give them car. Fox, Billboard, the show them, the TJ do, the collab them, Davido, French Montana, where, and the song still are in the place now as we speak. You understand? And the drama would it surround the song at first and the whole thing. So that song there was a run. It was a must play song in a dance. For sure. There's no way we could go in Jamaica at that time and something I keep. And I could even a source party I keep and them say one more to go, you gotta play Drift.
It was that powerful.
Yeah, so that them, I can't find the artist part, but I can't find the song part.
Okay, fair enough. We could deal with that. You're in Toronto, New Year's Eve right now, all right?
Yeah.
What are you doing up here, and what could Toronto expect from you tonight?
Well, I come off a farm, I'm in a farm right now, because I'm in a country from about what? I leave me when last me sleep, you know.
It's holiday time.
Leave me when last me sleep, you know. Dance me from come airport, you know. And as I finish the dance, I go back down, you know. We take me a play tomorrow night.
Yeah.
St. Elizabeth, you know. Me already, you know. Tomorrow night, me St. Elizabeth.
Right.
Tomorrow night, me play at St. Elizabeth. So I just set Jamaica vibes and I just come around and just energy and niceness. Energy and niceness. Yeah, I don't come from techno dance, I don't come for it. I just come for make Toronto have a good time. Gugu Mental.
Yeah.
That is Gugu Mental.
Yeah.
Different. Gugu Mental, different.
Yeah.
Young Genna, different.
And that's what I realize in this conversation here, because as I look around, you don't really see a lot of interviews with you. Now
No,
I really
I'm not
got
to talk.
Yeah,
No.
you know what I mean?
The reason why I even do the interview with you are because I've been and watch the platform, I'ma say, when I respect with the platform, the type of people them where you put on it, so I respect the platform. If I did say I have no only a chimpanzee on it and about that, I would never do it. You understand what I say? Because my thing coming, I'm a youth to deal with standard. You understand? My thing different. I'm a militant person. Nobody can just run, come and go. I'm frightened, I'm excited, and nothing get me excited. If I could have Jay-Z and Beyonce, I book me with you're not paying me my money on it shop. Me not come now. Nothing frighten me. You see it, and if Muscle keep a dance and me and your friend, and Jay-Z and Beyonce around this up, I now go for them something. I must think Google will come. As a young youth, and everybody like, Google, why you not go around this? I say, yeah, some of them with Muscle know, and Jay-Z and Beyonce come academy. So I'm just a militant person. Nothing excite me. Yeah. I just sit down, chill, and do my thing.
Go.
And do my work.
Crazy. As I said, tonight, New Year's Eve, December 31st, you could check out Gugu Mental, Stone Love, and 450 inside a LW Banquet Hall. That's 467 11 Steeles Avenue West. You understand? And listen, when it comes to prosperity, and Chicken and Things puts it on, and Heavy Metal puts it on, listen. But this is your second time around, so you know what it is.
Third time for Chicken and Things.
Okay.
Third time.
Yeah.
First time I with Massacre. Second time I with Craft. And now 450. Yeah.
Listen, leave some social media contacts where they could check you out and continue to see this crazy rise that you're on right now.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. One thing amongst the art I love, man. Stone Love stands alone, and you know, I have to big up the man anywhere in the world. I have to big him up. So I say, Father, we Pow, man. Big up yourself, man. I got that in a real life. You see it? Yeah. Any man this we Pow, you have to go talk to Gugu Mental. You understand? Yeah, and we Pow, I'm a God in a real life. You know, I have to big up my mother. You know, my brother, my dog. Big up yourself, I'm a G in a real life. See? Don't know the thing go. Active.
Where could they follow you on social media?
Gugu Mental Stone Love. Yeah, man, let's check it out. Gugu Mental Stone Love on all platforms. Facebook. But I'm not on TikTok. But I'm not bash it. I say, yo, I'm not joining TikTok. Probably I'm not ready yet. But I'm not on TikTok yet.
Listen, for such a young man, you're just like a real, as you said,
old soul. Gugu is a old soul. Gugu old.
Yeah.
Even generally when people come in and I car and them listen to the type of music I listen, them fed up, them want to come out. Alright, when we go dancing, and 3 car there, you know. Line up, you know. Nobody don't want to come to Gugu car, you know, because they don't want the music Gugu play. Gugu in there play stylistics and Manhattans and all the music, but no one hear that. Because remember, you know, remember say, I'm an age group, me a part, but me is a old soul. But no one hear that.
That's how we're going to end the conversation right there on Old Soul Gugu. I look forward to this conversation.
Yeah, man.
Did not disappoint. Yeah,
I respect my general, man.
Big up Mike and Chicken and Things for actually making this happen. I made the call and he said, yeah, you know what? We're going to make a thing go on. You understand? Let me give you an outro and get you out of here.
Man. Stone Love, the best.
Stands alone.
Stone Love.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. Wow.
This episode is brought to you by Chicken and Things Caribbean Cuisine, located at 2045 Brandon Gate Drive in Mississauga. Give them a call at 905-677-9888.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.